Hi Philippines and hello world. This is my ninth destination trip and we are going to Balan Beach, Bohol, Misamis Oriental for our team building and ACC Warriors. So let's go and have some fun. Alright guys, we just got out of work and it's 7:30 a.m. We're gonna go straight to our destination right now. Where are they? We're still waiting for some of our team because I think we'll be heading at exactly 8 and it's like 7:30 right now, so yeah, stay tuned. He's here. Some of us are actually there eating Jollibees. I'm gonna go there right now. Check them out. Jollibee, man. Our one and only Jollibee here in the Philippines. They're actually here. There they are. Yeah, we're still waiting for some of our team before we head to our Opol. It's kind of not a good day though, but this weather that's gonna stop us, man. Yeah, he's so ready to go, man. Can't wait to see the beach. Just so you see what it looks like here. There it is. The mall is still closed though. It'll be open at 9. We're good to go. So here's our ride, eh? How convenient. Our one and only Philippine jeepney. You can always see jeepneys here all over in the Philippines, especially in the cities, man. Alright, so I'm gonna be sitting here, right beside the driver. And then,
Here we are. Here we are.
oh, sorry. And I think we are definitely good to go.